Hello! Today, we're going to talk about how to load a mid-capacity magazine. This is a high capacity. That's a mid. Okay, you get your BBs, and you load them into your speed loader. Then you take the BBs and you put them into the magazine from the speed loader. I'm out of BBs. With all the BBs in the speed loader, you try to put into the magazine for the loading purposes. For the loading purposes of the game. When your spring tension is heavy, it means you're out of room. And it's full. That's how you load a mid-capacity magazine. Bye.
Okay.